All right, guys, so I'm getting several questions about Ozempic and what my thoughts are on it. Now, being a health coach for over 15 years, I'm never a fan of any quick fixes, trends, quick weight loss systems, especially if it comes to things like pills or injections. I mean, I honestly don't know the type of people that are doing this. You have a celebrity who's getting paid hundreds of thousands, if not millions of dollars to promote a product, and people are not doing any of their own research or homework and not even knowing what they're doing. My theory is always approaching this from a mindset perspective of getting people to understand, number one, what they're doing now, how to make proper, healthy changes over time. And that involves shifting their mindset and shifting some of their habits to newer, better, healthier ones. No injection or pill or supplement will ever do that. Getting healthy is simply doing the right things at the right time of day. It doesn't even have to do with calorie counting or macro tracking or anything like that. Understanding how to consume the right foods and the best times to do that. Now, with that said, I want to discuss some of these side effects listed on the Ozempic website. Right from the official website, I mean, right off the bat here in big bold letters, possible thyroid tumors, including cancer. Yeah, that sounds fun. Or swelling in your neck, hoarseness, trouble swallowing, shortness of breath. Again, all sounds fantastic. Cause thyroid tumors. Use Ozempic if you or any family members have ever had MCT. More possible side effects include inflammation of your pancreas, low blood sugar, kidney problems, reactions, gallbladder problems. So if any of that sounds fun, go knock yourself out. Try some injections or pills or supplements or whatever you think is going to be that quick fix. Of course, all quick fixes come to a very short and quick end. People have their health concerns and conditions and then end up ultimately gaining all the weight back. If you're really looking to lose weight, start educating yourself, start doing the right thing. Obviously, my program talks tremendously about intermittent fasting, scheduled eating, times that you eat and times that you don't, in order to burn your own body's fat for energy every day. It is how our bodies are set up and designed to do things. That is a natural process to lose weight. Hope these tips help.